Hey there, my Reset and Rise family. Welcome back to the channel where every week we uncover ancient secrets, natural remedies, and modern wellness practices to help you live healthier, feel younger, and stay strong no matter your age. Today's topic is something every one of us either struggles with or will at some point. Now, we've all had those moments. You wake up one morning, look in the mirror, and you swear your face changed overnight. The skin feels looser, your jawline isn't as sharp as it used to be. Maybe your neck shows a little droop you hadn't noticed before. And it hits you. Aging is happening. But here's the good news I'm bringing you today. You don't have to just accept it. You don't need expensive creams, painful procedures, or chemical-filled products. Because today, I'm revealing 3 ancient herbs, backed by both centuries of use and modern scientific studies, that can restore your skin's natural firmness, boost collagen, and bring back that youthful, healthy glow, naturally, from the inside out. And stick around till the end, because I'm also going to give you a bonus collagen-boosting longevity tea recipe you can make at home, along with some extra skin-tightening tips that work. So grab a notebook, maybe a cup of green tea, and let's dive deep. Before we get into remedies, let's understand what causes sagging skin in the first place. As we age, our body slows down the production of 2 crucial proteins, collagen and elastin. Collagen is like the scaffolding beneath your skin. It keeps your skin firm, strong, and elastic. Elastin is what allows your skin to bounce back after stretching. Starting in our mid-20s, collagen production begins to decline by about 1% per year. And after 50, that loss accelerates dramatically. Factors that speed up this loss include sun exposure. UV rays break down collagen fibers. Smoking, stress, inflammation, poor diet, alcohol consumption, environmental toxins, and yes, even lack of sleep. Add gravity to the mix and you've got the perfect recipe for sagging skin. But the beautiful thing is, our body can regenerate collagen if we give it the right tools. And that's where herbs come in. Long before plastic surgeries, chemical peels, and injectable fillers, our ancestors turned to the earth for beauty. From the royal courts of ancient India to the mountains of China and the African savannas, natural herbs and plants were prized not just for healing the body, but for keeping the skin youthful, tight, and glowing. What's fascinating is that modern research is now confirming what those ancient healers already knew. These plants work. Today, I'm bringing you the top 3 proven herbs that restore collagen naturally and visibly tighten skin. Gotu kola, often called the miracle elixir of life in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, has been revered for its skin-healing properties for thousands of years. It's known to boost collagen synthesis, increase microcirculation, which nourishes the skin, strengthen connective tissues, heal wounds and scars. Modern proof: a study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science showed that Gotu kola extracts, when applied topically and taken orally, increased skin firmness and elasticity while reducing fine lines. How it works: Gotu kola contains triterpenoids that stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen. How to use: brew Gotu kola tea daily. Apply Gotu kola infused facial oils. Create a face mask with Gotu kola powder and aloe vera gel twice a week. Personal story: I started using Gotu kola tea myself about a year ago when I noticed the skin on my neck getting looser. After just a few weeks, not only did my skin feel firmer, but I also noticed improved mental clarity. It's one of my favorite herbs to this day. Most people know ashwagandha as a stress reliever and adaptogen, but few realize how powerful it is for your skin. Why it works: chronic stress raises cortisol levels, and cortisol destroys collagen. Ashwagandha balances cortisol, reduces inflammation, and promotes overall skin health. Modern proof: a 2020 clinical study in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment found that women who took ashwagandha daily experienced significant improvements in skin hydration, elasticity, and wrinkle reduction. How to use. Take ashwagandha capsules or powder daily. Check with your doctor first. Add ashwagandha to warm almond milk before bed. Mix ashwagandha powder into your favorite smoothie. Pair it with a dash of turmeric for extra skin benefits. Known as amla in India, this small green fruit is a powerhouse of vitamin C, containing 20 times more than an orange. Why it works. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen formation and acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting skin cells from oxidative damage. Modern proof. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology confirmed that amalaki improves collagen structure, protects against UV-induced damage, and reduces signs of aging like pigmentation and sagging. How to use? Drink fresh amla juice every morning. Take amla powder mixed with warm water. Use amla oil on your face and neck at night. Combine amla powder with rose water for a tightening face mask. Pro tip. Amla also strengthens hair and nails, making it a holistic beauty remedy. Ready to supercharge your skin routine? Here's my favorite longevity tea recipe I drink twice a day. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon gotu kola leaves, half tablespoon ashwagandha root powder, 1 tablespoon amla powder, 2 cups hot water, a dash of cinnamon, optional, raw honey instructions. 1. Combine herbs in hot water. 2. Let it steep for 10 minutes. 3. Strain and add honey. 4. Sip it slowly in the morning and before bedtime. Benefits: boosts collagen, reduces stress, detoxifies skin, promotes deep sleep, improves digestion. Alongside these herbs, here are some extra things I personally practice. Facial yoga and massage, dry brushing before a shower, cold water, face splashes in the morning, oil pulling with sesame oil, consuming bone broth, avoiding excess sugar and processed foods, sleeping 7 to 8 hours daily. Getting moderate morning sun for vitamin D. Sagging skin isn't something you have to just accept. When you nourish your body with the right foods, herbs, and habits, it responds. Skin can firm up, collagen can regenerate, and you can age gracefully without losing your confidence. So, my Reset and Rise family, let's go back to nature. Let's lean into ancient wisdom and modern science together. Gotu kola, ashwagandha, amalaki, 3 powerful allies on your path to youthful, glowing, firm skin. Start today. Your future self will thank you. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Reset and Rise for more weekly health wisdom. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll personally reply. Until next time, reset your habits, rise with nature.